guys, the Kitchen Fairy here with another recipe vlog, and for today it is mint brownies. I did half and half, which is just for the topping. I topped half portion of the batter with cashew while I left the other half portion as is. Either way it's good. If you like to top it with mixed nuts also will be perfect, but mint brownies is always a win in this house with or without toppings. For the dry ingredients, this is 3/4 cups of enriched flour, 1/4 cup of Hershey cocoa powder or just regular cocoa powder, and 1/4 cup of skim milk powder. We're just gonna mix it, and also not forgetting a pinch of fine sea salt. So with balloon whisk, just whisk 3 whole eggs until completely combined, or mixed, or whisk. Now set aside. So this is 150 grams of unsalted butter. You can use golden shortening, the one that tastes like butter. And this is 100 grams of mint chocolate, milk chocolate that is mint flavor, and 100 grams of dark chocolate. We're just gonna microwave it until they're completely melted, but you want to do it on 30 seconds interval and mixing it each time. So again, every 30 seconds interval, you take the bowl out of microwave and then stir it. Just gonna put it into our beaten egg, and we're just gonna mix it or whisk it again. Then we're gonna add about 1 cup of sugar. If you are using all dark chocolate, use about 1.5 cup, but this is half sweet mint milk chocolate and half dark chocolate, so I'm just gonna use about 1 cup. But if you think that's not sweet enough, 1/4 cup will do. And also about 1 teaspoon of Mexican vanilla blend, and again just mix it before we add in our dry ingredients. And for this one, you want to use spatula instead of your balloon whisk. So you want to mix it but not overly mixed. Do not over mixed. Then we're gonna pour the batter onto our parchment lined square pan. Now basically your brownies batter is ready to be baked, but if you want you can add chopped nuts. I have cashew here, but I'm thinking maybe I don't want cashew, but maybe I'm gonna half and half cashew and half regular. There we go. The reason I don't really want the whole thing with cashew is because it's mint. Otherwise, if you're just using dark chocolate, you can use nuts. But this is mint, so I just want half with nuts. Preheat oven 350, and we're gonna bake it for 25 to 30 minutes. Cool brownies completely on the pan before you remove it onto the cooling rack. And would you look at that nice surface?